Thank you. So here's Brian to sing the song that he wrote, and he's going to do his thing with this one, Rock On, Rock All.
Oh, the empire it is finished, no foreign lands to seize. So the greedy eye of England is turning towards the seas. 200 miles from Donegal, there's a place that's called Rockall, and the groping hands of Whitehall are grabbing at its walls. Oh, rock on, Rockall, you never fall. Britons, greedy hands, oh, you meet the same resistance like you did in many lands. May the seagulls rise and pluck your eyes, and the water crush your shell, and the natural gas will burn your ass and blow you all to hell. This rock is part of Ireland, for it's written in folklore, when Finnacle took a sod of grass and threw it to the pole. Then he tossed a pebble across the sea. Wherever did it fall, for the sod became the Isle of Man. The pebble's called Rockall. Oh, rock on, Rockall, you never fall. For Britain's greedy hands, oh, you meet the same resistance like you did in many lands. May the seagulls rise and pluck your eyes, and the water crush your shell, and the natural gas will burn your ass and blow you all to hell. Oh, the seas will not be silent while Britannia grabs the waves. And remember that the Irish will no longer be our slaves. And remember that Britannia will. She rules the waves no more, so keep your hands off Rockall. It's Irish who they call. Oh, rock on, Rockall, you never fall. For Britain's greedy hands, oh, you meet the same resistance like you did in many lands. May the seagulls rise to pluck your eyes, and the water crush your shell, and the natural gas will burn your ass and blow you all to hell. Oh, rock on, Rockall, you never fall. For Britain's greedy hands, oh, you meet the same resistance like you did in many lands. May the seagulls rise and pluck your eyes, and the water crush your shell, and the natural gas will burn your ass and blow you all to hell. Woo!
Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Feed the pigs and milk the cow and milk the cow and milk the cow. Feed the pigs and milk the cow early in the morning. Cock your leg up, Paddy dear, I'm over here. Cock your leg up, Paddy dear, time to stop your yawning. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Katie, she is tall and thin, she's tall and thin and tall and thin. Katie, she is tall and thin and likes a drops of brandy. Drinks her in the bed each night, drinks her in the bed each night, drinks her in the bed each night. It makes her nice and randy. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Diddly diddle diddle do, diddly diddle diddle do, diddly Why man is 6 foot tall, he's 6 foot tall, he's 6 foot tall. Why man is 6 foot tall, likes the sugar candy. He goes to bed at 6 o'clock, goes to bed at 6 o'clock, goes to bed at 6 o'clock. He's lazy, fat and bandy. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again to join the British Army. The wife she has a hairy thing, a hairy thing, a hairy thing. A wife she has a hairy thing, she showed it to me a Sunday. She bought it in the furrier shop, bought it in the furrier shop, bought it in the furrier shop. It's going back on Monday. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Have you heard about the big young man? He lives in a caravan. Have you heard about the Jeffrey Johnson fight? Oh, what a hell of a fight. If they take all the heavyweights you got a lot, he can beat the whole lot. He used to ring the bells in the belfry, now he's gonna fight. Captain C was me brother Sylvester. What's he got a row 40 medals on his chest, big chest. Well, he killed 50 badmen in the west. He knows no rest, bigger the man has fire. Don't push, just shove, plenty of room for you and me. He's got an arm like a leg and a punch that will sink your battleship. Big ship. Oh, well, it takes all the army and the navy to put the wind up Sylvester. Well, he thought he'd take a trip to Italy, thought that he'd go by sea. Jumped off the harbour in New York and he swam like a man made of cork. Saw the Lusitania in the stress of what to do, but the Lusitania on his chest, big chest, drank all the water in the sea. Then he walked all the way to Italy. That was me brother Sylvester. Got a row 40 medals on his chest. Oh, well, he killed 50 badmen in the west. He knows no rest, bigger the man has fire. Don't push, just show, plenty of room for you and me. He's got an arm like a leg and a punch that will sink a battleship. Big ship. Oh, well, it takes all the army and the navy to put the wind up Sylvester. Well, he thought he'd take a trip to old Japan, turned out the whole brass band. They played every instrument they got, like a lad, sure he played the whole lot. Now the old church bells will ring house bells, the old church choir will sing house fire. All turned out to say farewell to my big brother Sylvester. That was me brother Sylvester. What's he got? Got a row 40 medals on his chest, big chest. Oh, well, he killed 50 badmen in the west. He knows no rest, bigger the man has fire. Don't push, just shove, plenty of room for you and me. He's got an arm like